We are in the Food Line kitchen with our good friend Liz Bouchon, and today you are making Cracker Jacks for us, right?
Yes, yes. And we have in our little saucepan 2 sticks of butter and 2 cups of brown sugar, and you let that simmer until it boils, like about 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then, we also added 1/4 cup of dark corn syrup.
Okay. Yeah, I was asking you if it was molasses, and she said, no, but that would work too.
Yes, you can use molasses, and then at this point, if you have any additional spices that you want to put in, like make a cinnamon popcorn, you could do that.
A little nutmeg.
A little nutmeg, you can make it your own.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
And what does that do?
It helps expand the caramel sauce, and you can see it's kind of growing a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to add some vanilla. You see, I just dumped that in there.
Yep.
Look how it bubbles up. Look at that.
Yeah.
Isn't that fun? It's like a science project.
It is.
Oh, and the
Isn't it
smell
fun?
is just
Doesn't
divine.
that smell
I love
good?
it.
Okay, so you don't have a whole lot of time. So if you would, Heather, take that bag of peanuts and spread it on top of the popcorn.
Just everything?
Just everything.
Okay.
And this is a sprayed cooking pan, and then about 12 cups of popped popcorn.
Okay.
Look how that's exploded in
Look at that.
size. Isn't
Yeah,
that
it sure
amazing?
did.
Love that.
Okay, so now I'm going to
Okay, I'm going to get out of your way so you
turn
can
it this way so
maneuver.
the camera guy can see.
And
And
you
you
just
just
pour it
pour it over.
Of course, this is great for baseball, but I mean, we're in football season. You can take this to your next tailgate.
Yes, you can. It's just great. And you know, you can also make popcorn balls out of this too.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Okay, now you want to make sure you put cold water in your pot so that that will kind of clean up later. Then I use a wooden spoon, and what you're going to do is you're just going to coat it.
Question, can I do this for apples, covering my apples? Or no, is it a different recipe?
It's a different recipe.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just
and
looking at it.
also I'm going to tell you, if it's a rainy day, don't make Cracker Jack on a rainy day, because there's something in the humidity and the rain that causes the Cracker Jack to be sticky and gummy.
Really?
Yes,
That is
isn't
interesting.
it? I know, it's kind of crazy. Well, after you mix this really well, then you're going to bake this at 275 in the oven for about 45 minutes. But you're going to turn it, you're going to pick it up like this and toss it and coat it more every 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then when it's completely done, what you're going to do is you're going to put some wax paper or aluminum foil on your countertop, and then you're just going to dump this pan out, spread it out a little bit, and let it cool.
Okay.
And then it'll crisp up, it'll be great, it'll be just like this.
Oh my goodness.
So we could take that, and then to serve it up saucy, what you can do is you can make these little paper cones, which is like this. And if you want to, you can take a glove or not, or just, you know, fill it up. Yeah.
This is a great idea.
Isn't it
I love your
fun?
little centerpiece there.
And kids can do this, so, you know, it would be a fun thing. There's some tape. I don't know how secure
do
that is.
your
but-
school colors and
Sure.
make it very fancy.
So it's just 2
Very
sticks
cute.
of butter and 1/4 cup of caramel syrup and a little bit of brown sugar, 2 cups of that. Mix that together.
And how long does it bake again?
In the oven, about 45 minutes.
Okay, and every 15 minutes you want to
Stir it, just to combine
cute.
it. You can add walnuts, you can add pecans, you can put any nuts you want.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Oh my God,
Only
yes.
after it's cool.
Yes.
But, you know. And then you put a prize in there, you know, make it fun. Yeah. So,
Here we
very
go.
cute.
Very cute. And we're going to offer this up on our website, daytimeblueridge.com. Just click on the food tab and look for Cracker Jacks.
yes.
We'll have that up
Make
there.
Cracker Jack.
All right. And then your website, lizbouchon.com. We can check that out. You have all kinds of great ideas for recipes and tablescapes and so much more. And you're also on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Liz, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks
Love
for
it.
having me.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed today's recipe in the Food Lion kitchen. Remember, by shopping at your local Food Lion and picking up their quality store brand items, you can feed your family well while also saving money. Find great recipes and more at foodlion.com.